Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Isang medyo maputik dito sa amin kasi maulan po. Mga nakalipas na oras. Parang simula kagabi. Yeah, so we're not going to our school today kasi may assignment po tayo sa division office. Screening na tayo, nasa member tayo ng screening committee, so mag-screen na po tayo ng documents ng ating mga athletes for the city meet. And yun po ang ating task for the week, kasi kailangan before ang city meet on November next week after ng I think November 4 ay dapat ay na-screen na ang mga documents ng ating mga athletes. So tignan nyo lang guys, putol yung kalsada dito sa amin. Alam nyo na, yan ang ebidensya na nasa Pilipinas tayo. But anyway, we have the cloudy day today. And para hindi mabasa, magdala ng payong. Actually, may dala po akong payong. Ready ang madam. Yun lang. Just wanna share our early morning before going to our assignment for today. And happy wellness break sa ating mga kaguruan. So hoping na mag-enjoy kayo, spending time with your family, with your kids. Yeah, bonding time, relaxing time. So enjoy nyo po and after this week it's a long weekend too. It's a weekend too kasi it's not a weekend, it's holiday for the celebration of All Saints Day, All Souls Day. Alam nyo na yun, dito sa Pilipinas we're celebrating that activity in commemoration of our beloved. So guys, dahil mag-November 1 na, yan, so meron po tayong mga plano. So pwede bibisitahin natin ang ating tatay, makauwi tayo para makita din natin ang ating nanay. Alam nyo guys, yung moment na lang na talaga tinitreasure ng ating mga matatanda, ng ating mga magulang, mga lolo at lola, is yung time to be with them, spending time to be with them. Yeah, so yun po. Anyway, it's a morning. Happy watching.